Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing another unboxing for you all. This time it's for some athletic wear, and possibly you may have heard of this brand. It is from Queenie Key. I actually came across this brand particularly when I was shopping on Amazon. I brought to you a few months back, I did like a whole Amazon legging trial, like what was good, what was bad, and the whole in between. Well, Queenie Key was actually one of the top notch leggings that I had ordered that I really liked. I'll link that Amazon legging haul down below for you. That way you can check it out and see even more things that I found for you there. But yeah, they ended up reaching out to me and they wanted to send me a few things from their collection because I guess they have their own site. I thought they were just like a brand on Amazon. Little did I know, they have their own site and little shop online. So before I get to unboxing this, please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, y'all, and I'm having a few technical difficulties with my camera. She keeps shutting off on me, so I'm going to try to do this again. I did unbox these for the first time, but I haven't tried anything on yet, and I'm going to go through them all again for you, okay? So, first up, I have a pair of black leggings that have the mesh detailing, like a zigzag pattern all the way down the leg. They're super edgy and I bet you they're gonna be real sexy on, so I can't wait to try those out. Also, I was saying how they sent me this jacket, and this jacket is identical to the Lululemon Define jackets. Seriously, with the front detailing there, the shape of the neck, the long sleeves with the thumb holes and the little finger fold over warmers. Also the back, it has that upper back little ventilation system. This just feels really soft, and I hope that it fits great because I love these jackets so much. And I love this color. This color is called Begonia Pink. And as you can tell, I love everything pink, maroon, everything in between. Just give it to me, all of it. Okay, friends, and yeah, my camera is just, no, really. My camera just, it keeps shutting off on me, so I switched to my phone, so sorry for the variation of lighting, probably, that's happening. But, okay, so I got the first pair of leggings on in the Begonia Pink, and I have this cute sports bra on. I'll have to look, I didn't get a little itinerary page in it, so I have to look it up online to get the specific names of the items that they sent me. But don't worry, I definitely will have that all linked down below for you. Starting with the leggings, I love this color. I think it is so pretty. And again, like I said, with the mesh little pocket, I already slipped my phone in there as I was making my way back upstairs to put it on the little ring light there. But I do love that they fit really nice. There's a small little elastic waistband around the top of it. So it's nice and flattering, but it does have a little bit in there so they won't fall down on you. Again, like I said, they have that waistband, the interior waistband that you can slide something in. I feel like they make my butt look pretty decent. I mean, it's no booty contouring or anything, but they're pretty good. They're a little iffy on the squat proof. I think it's because it's a lighter shade. To be honest, I feel I see a little bit of shadowing around the bum, more or less, but then also there is a white tag that I just noticed here on the side, and it's a little sheer. It's a little sheer. Okay, so this sports bra I think is uber sexy. It's real sexy, but she run, I think, a little small. So they sent me smalls in everything here, and the pants fit great. As far as the top, it fits me, but I feel just with the mesh, it might not be as stretchy, so a medium probably would have fit me better, to be quite honest. I think it looks really nice, and I mean, it definitely gives me some cleave, which I don't have usually by any means in any bra unless it's a push-up. But yeah, I think it gives me a lot of cleavage. It flatters my chest area. I do love the strappy back. That doesn't feel like it's cutting in at all. It pretty much just feels tight around the side, like here under the arm. I feel like it's just a little tight right there. So that's the only downfall on this item. Okay, and now for the black leggings. Oh my goodness, as I was pulling these babies up, they are so stretchy and they are so like, they're just very, very soft. And yeah, the amount of stretch that's in here, especially because there's so much mesh on the front of the leg, I'm actually really, really surprised. And these are a little bit higher waisted, I feel like, than the pink ones. Just by like, I think it could be just because the black seems a little bit more stretchy, to be quite honest. They have that elastic, that little small elastic band around the top of the waist to like hold it up top. Again, I feel like they're very flattersome. I feel like they're nice. They flatter my body pretty dang well. There is no waistband on the inside of these. And then I'll try to get you a better view of the mesh that happens all the way down the leg. It's like really, really sexy. And I decided to wear these like out to the movie, throw on my combat boot, you know, with like an oversized tunic or like hoodie or something like that, since it's getting a little bit chillier finally here in Florida. I think they're really, really cute. I think that they are, again, on the slight bit side of being a little sheer. Now let's add the jacket. Hey. Okay, and this jacket is super flattering. It fits it looks identical to the Lululemon Define jackets, but for like a fraction of the cost, to be quite honest. Like, this thing is amazing. I got a small in this. Again, the sleeves are completely long enough as is, and then it even is comfortable to pull down and wear the thumb holes. Some, to be quite honest, in the Lululemon ones, the thumb holes actually hurt because the sleeves barely are long enough for me, so they're like always pulling up on it. These are really nice. Again, they do have like the little hand to keep your like fingers warm. They have the little pullover covers. Super cute for some cold days, you know. And then they have 2 front zip pockets. That's nice right there. Oh, there is like a little holder. Again, my phone would not fit in this holder, but say you have like a little mini like iPod or something like that, or like a chapstick or anything like that, you can just throw in that little mesh pocket. And then also, if you can see this, there's a little hole where you can slip, if you are running with earphones, headphones that have a wire, you can slide the wire up through the inside of the jacket so you don't have the wire all flailing out here and in the way. The back is super flattering, and I want to say that the torso is maybe a little bit longer. This little stitching hits me right at my low back, which kind of gives you that more like cinched in waistline. This just fits me really, really well, and to be quite honest, I'm actually surprised at how well all of these items fit me. Not that I didn't think I was gonna enjoy them and like them, but I'm not gonna lie, I can be kind of like a workout snob when it comes to the things that I like to wear. Yeah, like I'm pretty dang amazed, like, and I'm not just feeding this to you, like this stuff is like legit, especially for the prices, like 30 to like 40 bucks some of these items were. Like, that's a really, really good deal. All right, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing and try on haul with me of these Queenie Key items. I think this brand is just, I know, Burley, you want attention. I think this brand is really amazing, and I definitely will be checking their site out more often because I love everything I got. The only thing that is kind of like questionable is the sports bra for me, and that's just, if I had it in a medium, it would fit to a T and it wouldn't bother me, but it just cuts in a little bit at the underarm, and so I wouldn't want to wear it for like a long time. I think the leggings are really good quality, and it just has that slight bit of sheerness, so just don't wear them to do squats or like a leg day, you know, just don't go bending over for the whole world to see. Or if you want to, that's your choice, but there is gonna be like a little faint shadowing there. At least for me, that's what I could see in my mirror. If you enjoyed this little unboxing and try on haul, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you will always see everything I bring to you. And don't forget to hit this bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload a video. Usually I upload every Tuesdays. I'm trying to get you more content like throughout the week so you don't have to just go 1 week with just one video. I'm trying to like up my game there for y'all, but it's a little hard with all my jobs, especially with holiday time coming around here, but I'm doing it for you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I was saying before when my camera cut out, on Instagram, I come to you pretty much like daily, super frequently, just doing either tutorials. I do some unboxings there that maybe I don't have the time to actually film and get out here to YouTube, but just follow me on Instagram. The link's below. It's at LaceLoveandLaura. And you'll get to watch my stories for all of those things. You can watch my posts, see what style I'm bringing you, because I do share a lot of things there that you don't necessarily get to see here. I will also have my Amazon legging little try-on haul as well from like months ago. That's when I first came across and discovered this Queenie Key brand. And again, out of all the leggings in that haul, the Queenie Key were like at the top notch already then. So when they reached out to me to send me this package, I was super, super excited because I knew I was probably going to enjoy what they sent me. So thank you so much, Queenie Key. I love all of these items that you sent me. I think they are great quality. I love the detailing. They're just really nice. The fabric is super soft. I think it's made great. I think that they're going to be durable in the gym. Thank you so, so much. I think they are just fabulous. If you have any questions, comments, please leave me those down there below for me to see. And until next time, I will see you then. Bye. Okay, y'all, and as I sit here and edit this video, I was like looking at the items closer, and those black leggings, I have two airs as when I was trying them on, what I couldn't tell with that ring light blinding my face. So they are more sheer than I thought. So definitely, those are more of like your legging to just wear out, like for a casual, you know, like rocker edgy look, because you could wear them to the gym for, again, I think upper body would be totally fine. Like even I teach at the bar method, so I think me teaching bar or even taking would be decent, but any type of squatting, leg, bending over, like I full on could see my butt. So they are not squat proof for sure. I lied to you earlier. There is that little inside waistband pocket on the black as well, just like the pink has. So I just wanted to, you know, come back, let you know. So that way you have the full details.